Good day guys, hope everybody doing alright. I know I haven't posted in about 2 or 3 weeks and I didn't have much to show you guys. But today, just to get out of that mood of the samey vibes day in day out, I'm going to do a little project, change up the area, the living room area. And I'll also try to show you my new work from home setup. I'm heading down to Fontana to get some printouts. You guys will see. With the pandemic, things has taken a turn in Jamaica. It's spiking. There was some days about a week or two ago where it was like 800 cases a day. So we've been in isolation, but we got even more strict with it. It's coming up to Easter weekend now, and the government has locked the place down. Friday, Good Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and Monday, the entire country will be locked down. We're not allowed to be outside. Thankfully, the vaccine has arrived in Jamaica. I know it'll be a long time before I get it, but at least the first phase with frontline workers and whatnot, that is happening or has already happened by this time. So at least there's that, right? Alright, I'll be back soon. Alright, I'm back. Picked up the printouts. There's one here. Could you see it? And here we are, back home, and I'm about to open it up so you guys can see. I'll go over the pictures in a little more detail a little later on. I had a nice little black and white montage of the kids. I'm going to change that up a little bit. It's still going to be mainly about the kids. When we rearrange the furniture and remove a shelf that was here, we end up with this big wall. Yes, I have my famous Trinidad. Hey, take a look at this. Alright, so we have, I don't know if you guys know this in Trinidad, but this is pretty famous. You see a lot of families have this. I love these. I know it's a bit old school, but it's a very Trinidad thing to have this in your house. I'm still going to hang it up, but just not on this wall. We're going to hang up some new pictures I have of the kids. But before we do that, we need to mount it in the frames. And I am using the same frames I had on the older pictures. Let's get those and let's start the mounting process. We have our pictures and we need the frame. So one frame, one pane of glass. You could hardly see it on camera. Just want to wipe it out. Put in the pane of glass. Okay, that took a little finagling, but it's there. And now the photo needs to get cut. Well, don't worry, we have the tools for it, so we cut. These edges don't have to be straight. The frame, it has a lip, so you wouldn't see the edge. And then the backing board, you close in the tabs. And there it is. Ooh, look at that. I designed a built-in white frame so it doesn't run to the edge, so you get some breakage there. Isn't that cool? So now I have to do this for 5 more of the picture of my kids and 2 travel. Okay, so I framed up everything and now let's take a look at the images. You guys saw this one before. Giovanna, recent picture. We have another one here. This is when she went prom. How nice, she looking like a supermodel. And here she is as a baby. Isn't she the cutest thing ever? Oh my god, I love this picture. And now we have the boss man, my son, as a baby. He still got a lot of reactions. He was a very cute. And this is him around 6 or 7 years old. Still extremely cute. And here he is now. Big. Alright, he might be tall as me or might be slightly taller than me. Cute, but in a different way. And then I have these pictures. Well, this is me in Tunisia. 4 pictures of me doing this thing in Tunisia. And I made kind of a collage. Yeah, nice stories. And finally, we have here just pictures I took. The different places I've visited. Some pictures that I took myself. Showing my travels. So yeah, that's it. On this wall here, that's the big open space. I'm going to hang up the 6 pictures of the kids. So I have to figure that out now. In this big blank wall, we now have 6 really nice pictures of the kids. And I try to do it in order from youngest to how they are now. Same thing here. We now have a nice feature wall, nice colors. Really livens up the room a little bit. Nice change. Alright, so I'm taking this time in lockdown to fix up my workspace. As you know, during the pandemic, I've been working from home a lot, and I think I finally got a nice little area set up in the living room here. I can be comfortable with working. As you can see, I have a nice wooden desk. My laptop is set up exactly where I need it. I have a webcam, some light just in case it's too dark I can throw it. Wireless keyboard, so I can relax back and type and whatnot. And I have my little Mando speaker looking over things here. Very nice and clean. And of course, when I have meetings, I can put on my headset, have my mic, and go into my Zoom meetings. Everything I need right here. And the best thing about this is the way I set this up. As you can see, I can see outside. Although I'm here and I'm working, I can see outside, taking the scenery, seeing the distance so my eyes doesn't get tired, that kind of thing. I took some time in isolation to set up the space, my working space a little better while I work from home. The place nice and windy, and this is something that I try to do a few times for the day. Every day, come outside, take a walk. Being at home, working from home, in isolation, lockdown over the long weekend, it could get a bit frustrating always being home, but I've been trying to make the best of it, me and Vanna. The hardest part, of course, is like missing the family. My wife and son, they're back in Trinidad. It's very difficult to be apart from them for so long. Trinidad is still under like island lockdown in terms of nobody could enter the island, but we call every day, keep that connection. We're making the best of it. I hope to get back to making the videos. I took a few weeks off. You kind of get in the mood every now and then. So I hope I can get back into the groove of things. Please remember to always like, subscribe. We're 8,000 something, so we're moving ever so closely to the 10,000 subscriber mark, which is exciting. Share the video, tell people about the channel to your friends. You never know, all these things might help. I always appreciate you guys watching, so let me know what you think of the little project I did today. So I'll wrap it up right there. Thanks again for watching, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!